Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground. Feels like it's been ages since we've been together, and it really has. The last thing was a short shot, and that was in May. And if you're wondering what happened, you thought Grantham Pub went away, it didn't. In fact, we spent the summer on something we've been waiting for a long, long time. As you know, I've been bringing you this stuff from all over the place. First, I was in the kitchen, and then I went to the backyard. I went to the basement. Then I went back up to the porch. Then back down to the basement. Where else did I go? Kitchen, backyard, basement, porch, back to the basement, until I got to the place where you see me most recently, my little portable setup with my backdrop. But that's all over. We spent months getting this together. I want to show it to you. I have to warn you, the audio parts is a little sketchy because it's new and I'm still working out some bumps in my production. But without further ado, let's get right to it. So I present to you the new and improved Grantham Pub Underground. Words fail me when I look around. It's been done for a few weeks now, and it's still exciting every time I come down here. So I don't want to get too much into how we built it. If you want to talk about the build itself, there's going to be a video on my other channel, my home improvement channel, Homecraft Chronicles. So when that comes out, I'll tell you about it here, and then you can go there and watch it. But for now, I just want to talk about what we wanted to do and how we wanted to set this thing up to make it work for us. So come on in, take a seat at the bar, and let's talk about it. So this is our bar, guys. We're thrilled with it. Like I said, I'm not going to get into the exact what we did, but we wanted a few things when we built this. We wanted it to be comfortable. We think it's comfortable. We have a 9-foot bar here, 5 seats comfortable. We have a table over there, a couple more seats there. There might be a drop down here. We're not sure. This is kind of working out for us, so I'm not sure if we're going to do it. We wanted it to be homey and rustic. I think we have that with the wood on the wall, the hickory floor, the butcher block oak bar top, a lot of wood elements, colors. We definitely think we hit homey and rustic. And we wanted a lot of storage. Back here, our back surface, which is 8 feet. Another big thing, we wanted it to be functional. It's definitely functional. We have plumbing, goes down, and then it goes up through an ejector into the plumbing system. Storage, we have drawers, we have a fold out for cleaning supplies, more drawers, cabinets, keeping different things in there. What's in here? Setup stuff, straws and whatnot, koozies. We wanted to have a back bar for glass and liquor storage, which we have. We have a bunch of cabinets that are all filled with, this one is shakers and whatnot, and then these are all liquor. They all come with drawers for storing various things. And then our back bar for glasses and liquor. We wanted good lighting. We have great lighting. Lisa did real well when she came up with this lighting design. I actually, at first, thought that this was too much lighting, but as it turns out, it's not. Everything's on a dimmer, which is right over here. We have 4 zones down here. We got the pendant, we got the back bar, we have 2 side walls. The field lights are controlled over by the stairs. we definitely wanted a TV. Obviously, what's on TV. And this is a new refrigerator. We got a refrigerator especially for down here. We wanted the ability to have lots of ice. So we thought a side-by-side was the way to go. Ice glasses, beer mixers, and we wanted it to be set up good. I mean, we have our bar top, nice bar top, which we built, glass rail, bar mats, bottle opener. I mean, everything you would need in a bar. Glass rail, bar mats, bottle opener. I mean, everything you would need in a bar. I mean, I've worked in the industry one way or another for going on 40 years, and this is as nice as any small, quaint neighborhood bar you're going to find. We're still getting the bells and whistles together. I mean, we have, talk about quaint and homey. We have a fireplace over there, electric fireplace. It's not on right now because it hums and you would hear it. We have games, a little ring toss game over there. So we're set up for a lot of good times down here. So, I mean, it's homecraft after all, so we got to make a drink to celebrate. So, let me go over, get some ice. So, what could be better than a cocktail for a grand opening of a great bar, if I do say so myself, than a cocktail called a grand opening. This is pretty simple. 3 ingredients. The first being Grand Marnier, ounce and a half of Grand Marnier. And another cool thing is it's so good to have everything right where you need it. You're used to my old setup. I'd have to run. We had stuff stored in actually, you know what? We had bottles in, I think, 4 different places just because of the storage. But now everything's right here together. So an ounce and a half of Grand Marnier, ounce and a half of rum. Any rum you like. This happens to be Bahamian rum. And then finally, 1 ounce of dry vermouth. This is weird, right? I mean, I'm only ever used to using vermouth in martinis, but okay. Just give that a little stir. We need chilled glass, which we have. We need a coaster, which we have. Grantham Pub coasters. We're going to have a little garnish on that drink. Nice maraschino cherry. Actually, I have spiked ones in there. I should have used those, but I didn't. I need a strainer. I have to strain this. And that is our grand opening cocktail for the grand opening of the Grantham Pub Underground. The new and improved Grantham Pub Underground. So thanks for sticking with me, even though you haven't seen us for a while. Probably since May. This was our free time for a couple of months. And I think the payoff was worth it. So here's to you guys. Let's try this, see what it's like. It's different. I'm trying to think what the... I think this is very much dependent on the rum that you used. I mean, this is not an aged rum by any stretch, but it's good rum. Dark rum. Yeah, it's not aged or anything. I mean, I'm not getting a lot of the Grand Marnier. I'd expected a little more orange notes. I wonder. Here's an idea. Let me try this. We have all of our little, back here, different things that you need. I mean, we have some bitters. I have a little rack for stirs and glasses, mixing glasses. Let's see, do I have scissors in any of my drawers here? I don't. Another thing I don't have yet is I don't have, I have to get a little cutting board with a little knife for doing garnishes and whatnot. Oh, I bet you that's gonna... I don't know if that's too much, too little, or... Let's see. I really didn't do anything. Oh, yes, it did. It's good. Oh, it's better now. Oh, I like that. So, as you can tell, I can't talk. I'm so excited. But this is going to be fun. This is where you're going to see the shot shorts from now on. This is where you're going to see all the videos from now on, whether it be the taste test, the regular cocktail videos. We got drinks of the world. Oh, speaking of which, how we're going to start this whole deal off is I am going to do a tournament. It's going to be the tournament to decide the best classic cocktail out there. I'm not talking about the foo-foo things nowadays. You know, you're not going to see picklebacks. You're not going to see like vodka and Red Bull. I'm talking classic cocktails. Your Manhattans, martinis, slow gin fizzes, Tom Collins. I don't remember, but it's going to be bracket style. There's 4 brackets. I don't know if I have my list down here. Let me see. Somewhere I have a list, and it is 4 brackets. I think there's 8 in each bracket. I think there's I want to say fizzy, creamy, boozy, and fruity. That might be the 4 brackets. I don't recall the number 1 seeds offhand, but we're going to do it. Oh, new video coming up. We're going to do it just like tournament. 1 verse 8, 2 verse 7, Then they're all going to filter down. We got the 4, we got #1 seeds. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to take a while till we get to the best classic cocktail of all time. And these are just 8 that I picked that I think are going to be easy. And we'll see how it goes. It should be a lot of fun, so stick around for that. But we're going to have that. We're going to have the tournament, more shot shorts, taste tests, and everything. It's going to be a lot of fun. So stick around. Thanks for hanging with me. And until I see you right back here. So make sure, speaking of which, there's going to be so much stuff coming that if you're not already subscribed, you gotta. This is the best time, if you haven't already, to subscribe to the Grantham Pub Underground. There's so much that's going to happen at this new and improved GPU that you are going to want to make sure that you stick around for it. So, subscribe, tell your friends, share. You know, this is going to be the place to be, if I do say so myself. And have a drink with us, hang out with us. This is the place, you know, like I say, drink with us, but drink responsibly. It's going to be fun. So until I see you right back here at this bar at the Grantham Pub Underground, I will save one of these seats just for you. Cheers.